Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat app is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So if you're connected to any kind of VPN, just disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go to App Store. Go for search and simply search for Snapchat, and you just have to try to update your app. If you find any kind of pending updates here, just try to update your app. After updating your app, you have to go back and retry to open your Snapchat app if it's fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open settings app, go to general, go to software update, and try to update your software. After updating software, go back, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to make sure that you have almost 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage to prevent any kind of storage issue. So after doing this, you have to simply go back from here, and I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here just look for Snapchat app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So in case of overloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or malware with your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.